Hello everyone, I am Sushant Chaugule from the Department of Studies in Computer Science, University of Mysore. So today in this video we are going to see about what is the supervised learning, what is the classification and its types, and what is the regression and its types. So let's begin. Before going further, we will see first what is machine learning. The art and science of giving computers the ability to learn to make decisions from the data without being explicitly programmed. So there are two types of machine learnings. One is supervised learnings and another one is unsupervised learning. So today we are going to see about supervised learning. Supervised learning. As the name indicates, the presence of supervisor as a teacher. Basically, supervised learning is a learning in which we teach or train the machine using data which is well labeled. That means some data is already tagged with the correct answer. After that, the machine is provided with a new set of examples so that supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data and produces a correct outcome from the labeled data. Then, with the help of this diagram, we will see what is the actual process of supervised machine learning. In this image, you can see that we are feeding raw input as an image of apple to the algorithm. As a part of the algorithm, we have supervisor who keeps correcting and keeps on training to machine, and supervisor tells that it is an apple or not after processing. So this process repeats until we get a final trained model. Now we will see what is the classification in machine learning. It is the task of classifying things into subcategories but by a machine. If that doesn't sound like much, imagine your computer being able to differentiate between you and a stranger. In machine learning and statistics, classification is the problem of identifying to which of a set of categories a new observation belongs to on the basis of a training set of a data containing observations and whose categories membership is known. In this diagram, as we can see, there are two types of classification. One is binary classification, another one is multi-class classification. Binary classification. It is the task of classifying the elements of a set into two groups on the basis of classification rule. Example, on the basis of given health conditions of a person, we have to determine whether the person has a certain disease or not. So, below you can see the diagrammatic representation of binary classification. Next, multi-class classification. In machine learning, multi-class is a problem of classifying instances into one or three or more classes. For example, on the basis of data about different species of flowers, we have to determine which species does our observation belongs to. So next, regression in machine learning. A process to find correlations between dependent and independent variables. Regression models are used to predict a continuous value. Predicting prices of house given the features of house like size, price, etc. This is the one of the common example of regression. There are 5 types of regression. First one, simple linear. Second, polynomial. Third, support vector. Fourth, decision tree. And the last one, random forest. Now we will see the definitions. Simple linear regression. This is one of the most common and interesting type of regression technique. Here we predict a target variable y based on the input variable x. A linear relationship should exist between target variable and predictor, and so comes the name linear regression. The simple linear regression model can be represented using the below equation. Next, polynomial regression. It is a regression algorithm that models the relationship between a dependent y and independent variable x as nth degree polynomial. The polynomial regression equation is given below. Support vector regression. In SVR, we identify a hyperplane with maximum margin such that the maximum number of data points are within that margin. SVRs are almost similar to the SVM classification algorithm. Instead of minimizing the error rate as in simple linear regression, we try to fit the error within the certain threshold. Our objective in SVR is to basically consider the points that are within the margin. Our best fit line is the hyperplane that has the maximum number of points. Then, decision tree regression. Decision tree builds regression or classification models in the form of a tree structure. It breaks down a dataset into smaller and smaller subsets, while at the same time an associated decision tree is incrementally developed. The final result is a tree with the decision nodes and leaf nodes, as you can see in the diagram. In a decision tree we have nodes which represents a condition. On the basis of the condition we go to either left or right child of the node. Leaves or end nodes which represents the output of the algorithm. The last one is random forest regression. Random forests or random decision forests are an unassembled learning method for classification, regression and other tasks that operates by constructing a multitude of decision trees at training time and outputting the class that is the mode of the classes or mean upon average prediction of the individual trees. Below you can see random forest regression diagram. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for your valuable time.